about I'm gonna give you guys like 2 equity example here. The first one is trade offer contract. Trade offer means that say a seller A want to trade the amount of say BTM or BTC or Ethereum to buyer B, and buyer B will offer say seller A want to trade 10 BTC to a buyer B, and buyer B will offer a payment of 5 or 6 or USD or something, some issue that you, some asset that you issue on the Bytom. So we're gonna so the contract here, we have the log statement here. The log statement will require for parameter here. It means that the asset request means that say the USD that you want to exchange with the log asset and amount says 5 BTC, right? And you could check and you could choose to trade like as I said before, the log amount requests of value with seller. This means that the seller is the only one that spend the amount of request of amount, say USDT, like 5 USDT. And unlock value amount of the seller means that anyone can trade this. Like the unlock value says 5 BTC can go to anyone as long as you have 5 rating. But you could as long as you have the amount request of the USDT, and the seller could also do the cancel program. If the seller doesn't want to sell it anymore, you could select your own cancel clause here. Like you could just input your password, and then the value you log, say 6 USDT, then you will go back to your own account. So yeah, we have 2 clauses here, means 2 unlock method, and 1 contract. The contract parameter means the log method. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the contract log position. This is the contract that we're gonna use today to show you the example. So here's the contract for log position. This means that we're gonna give our log amount of Ether to a certain person, the saver, once it's above the expired block high, and also if it's the also we're gonna check the signature that we enter as the signature that we logged, so that's the same person. So in the log procedure, that we're gonna decide which block height that we wanna use, which block height, above which block height that we're gonna give the amount of Ether to the certain person, and the certain person is saver. Saver is the certain person that you want to give here, and the public key is to only verify that's the same person you log the value. Need the same person to unlock the value. Okay, and yeah, we have several smart contract template. If you are interested, you could visit our website. We have multi-size and check size, and yeah, there are around 8 or 9 smart contract template that you could try to see if it's to learn it, and you could try to run it if you are interested.